G'day folks, Ben from Snowy's here. Today I'm showing you how you can attach this Blacksmith four-wheel drive wheel bag to your spare wheel.
Hit it.
This wheel bag is all Australian made, attaches easily over 31 to 33 inch tyres and has a really easy to attach and heavy duty buckle system to keep it secure on your tyre. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. This is the Blacksmith wheel bag in front of me here. Weighs about 2.3 kilos and measures about 70 centimeters by 70 centimeters and about 16 centimeters in depth, but that's obviously dynamic, depends on what you've got packed inside. Now, I've got another video on all the features of this bag. What I want to show you today is how you attach it to your wheel. Now, Blacksmith claimed this will suit 31 to 33 inch tires. I've actually got a 35 inch tire next to me here that I'm going to put it on to show you that it does fit really big tires. If you pack it on a small tire, it just means you're going to get a bit of extra fabric sort of bunched up on the sides here, but it does look nicest when it's packed, when it's attached to a really big tire. So you've got this large flap here. So when we attach it, this flap wants to sit over the top of the tire. So if we lay this over the top of the wheel here and put the straps and the fabric down the back of the wheel, straighten it out. So we can see this section here now sits over the top of the wheel. If I spin this around, we've now got this fabric sitting down over the back of the wheel and our straps hanging down here. Now I've just got this on a wheel in the shop here. Obviously there's no rim in the wheel there, and we also don't have the mounting point that you would have if you've got this attached to the back of the car as well to work around. So it's a bit of a simplified way to install it here, but when you're mounting it or when you're attaching it to your wheel, you might have to customize the way you set it up a bit. Now you do have a few options with these straps here. You can set them up, I guess, the traditional or standard way, which is just to have these straps coming straight down, and then you've got this retainer here to stop these from pulling out to the sides. You can also cross it over if you like. So if you cross them over like this and attach them to the clips, which I'll show you shortly, you can cross this, and this might be a way to work around the hub that you've got in the middle here. So no specific way to fit every sort of setup. Just do whatever works best for you. You might find you need to do a bit of trial and error and see what moves around the most. But to set this up at the moment, I'm going to do the traditional way. So we've got this pulled down, edge of the tie here with the edge of the stitching there. I'll just spin this around a little bit and roll it over so we can see the clip on the base here. So I've got this clip here. I'm going to grab the large 50mm side release buckle here and attach that on that side there. I'll ride this up a little bit and we'll just tighten that a smidge. I'm going to tighten the other side first. Now I've got the benefit of being able to roll this around in the shop here at the moment. So come around to the other side, attach the buckle on this side here as well. Give that a bit of a tighten. So now we want to just tighten it enough so that this doesn't ride over the front, and this actually stops it from riding down too much. Position this wherever it best suits. You might find the bottom's the best to stop these from moving, and that's the most common thing with these that I've found with the wheel bag that I've got, is that these, it doesn't happen so much on this one, but with my wheel bag, these tend to ride out this way, but this stops that and just secures it in place. But it's as simple as that. That's the wheel bag attached there now on the wheel. That's nice and secure. That won't ride forward now. This large sort of pocket here keeps it sitting on top of the tyre nice and neatly. If I spin that around, we can see we've got that attached securely on the wheel there. Covers most of the wheel, sits nice and neat. Big 35-inch tyre takes up most of the slack here. As you can see, if it was a smaller tyre, you get a little bit more sort of puckering of the fabric on the side here, but certainly fits all size tyres. Really suits the larger size though. That is how you attach the Blacksmith full drive wheel bag. A really durable Australian made option, made right here in Australia, right here in Adelaide. Check them out online at snowys.com.au.